Hello, integrated science students. Wednesday, April 8th. So happy hump day to you. Hope things are going okay. Um, Couple things I want to point out. First, I haven't really had a chance to see you the way you've been able to see me. So I figure by now a lot of you have worked out the bugs with your teachers doing Zooms and Google Meets and things like that. It is not my plan to do a full class of a Google Meet or a Zoom or something because that's just too clunky. So that's why I record the video notes. But I would like to just say hello to all of you and just touch base because it's been too long since I've seen you. So I'm going to be sending you messages kind of individually today to see when works for you. Those of you in my first period class, I don't think it'd be fair to ask you to be on there at like 8:30 in the morning unless you want to. So I'm going to give you some options, and it'd be great if you could communicate with some friends of yours that are maybe in one of my classes because we could be on at the same time. I just want like 3 or 4 people on at a time. So I might try to do it during my 7-8 period, but for those of you in first period, you might have something you have to do then. So there's also the lunch slot that you're assigned to. So I'm hoping either Thursday or Friday I can have a chance to at least connect with everybody. And it's going to be really super short. Just a few minutes just to say, hey, see how things are going, and then that's going to be it. But it'll be good for me. I find myself really missing seeing you all and hearing your voices. And so that might sound weird, but it's actually true. Your teachers do enjoy seeing you every day. That's why we do what we do. So as far as today's work goes, there's a much shorter video notes. It's less than 10 minutes. And another Google Forms page. I'm just finding that that's a very easy way for me to kind of see how you're doing. One thing I noticed on the one that you did yesterday, Tuesday, for those of you that did that, that would be number 4. A lot of you missed the question about the name of the special particle, and it's right in your notes from part 2. And so I got to thinking, like, maybe you don't realize that you're allowed to peek at your notes while you answer these things. It's not like a test or a quiz where you have to have everything away. So I know it's a little more effort, but you don't have to rely just on your good memory. So I don't make these things like super long and complicated where you're poring over notes forever. Most of this stuff I try to keep so you can easily spot it. And of course, because it's science, a lot of it is not just memorization stuff. It's more like what we call application. Like, you know, the examples I give you on the Google Forms aren't identical to what I show you in the notes, but the process is very similar. So so that's what I'm hoping you'll learn, is just about the process. So, you know, take an extra minute or two to look at your notes before you answer those, and I have a feeling you might not miss some of the questions you were missing before. So, okay, I want to cut this short so you can get on with your work and then go out and have a good day. I think it might storm today, but hopefully you get a little bit of a chance to get outside and get some exercise. So, all right, have yourselves a great day. Take care.